On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to Hardreset Tecno F1. Yes, on F1. So just hold on the volume up and the power key at the same time. So while I'm doing this thing, that the button, the phone doesn't have a button, so just have to look for something to press it down. Yes. So once you show you the Tecno, please just remove. Now it's showing you no command. Make sure you press the power button and the up button together. It will take you to recovery mode, as you can see now. Yeah, so just scroll down to wipe and factory set for more. So sometimes when you do that, it will not work. Then just click on more, go to more. Yes, sometimes when you click on factory reset, it will just reboot the phone, but when you click on more, it will give you what you are looking for. Then press OK. Now that you're on wipe data, so if you check now, it has wiped the data completely. Now the next thing is just for you to reboot. Click on the power button, which is the OK button. Yes. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button if you are not done so. And thanks to our returning subscriber. Thank you for always being there with us. Thank you for always following our channel. We continue to drop more videos for you guys to see. So just give it some time. We just have to boot after resetting the phone. So it might take some time. So there'll be a video on how you can do the FRP bypass. You will see it on the end screen of this video. Please do well to click on it to see how you can do the FRP on Tecno F1. Yeah, so at this point now I require you to do the FRP. So you just have to watch the next video where we make the video for the FRP. So if you like this video and it works for you, please drop your comments in the comment section as we give you guys more videos. Stay blessed, guys.
I know you enjoyed that video you just watched now. Please, if you have not hit the subscribe button, please do hit the subscribe button so that you can get more of our video. And also please show your support to our channel, share this video to other technicians see our videos. Please, your comment is very helpful for our YouTube channel. It helps us to provide you more videos. You can share your thoughts on what you want us to upload on YouTube. So just drop your comment. It's very helpful for us and it will give us ideas of what we can make available for you guys to see on YouTube. Thank you guys for always staying tuned with us. See you on our next video. Stay blessed, guys.